大阪ジャパンとハガジャパン水曜日に。Hello. Okay. By the way, I discovered something very important thing. Listen to me very carefully. So be careful. Okay. This is heart. This is love. Love becomes Tintin. I didn't know. I discovered this one when it gets smaller. Tintin. Yeah. This is the relationship between love and Tintin. When love gets smaller, it becomes Tintin, and be careful. Listen to me. When Otin gets bigger, like it becomes love. Oh, what the heck? This is amazing. This is impressive thing. Love becomes Tintin and Tintin becomes love. Oh my gosh. I didn't know. I was walking around the central city in Osaka today, near the coast of Tiongzon, Osaka, Japan, and it called something balloon. Like this one, this is balloon. But see, Tintin. Yeah, so I bought it immediately. When Tintin becomes bigger, it becomes love. Big Otin is love, and small love is Otin. Bogoi Manka Yuki. No, this is kind of principle in the real world, you know. See? See? What color would you like? Range. This is love. Actually, this is love. And red, and yellow, white, green, blue. Konda kona otin. This is love. This is obviously love. But sometimes couples fight each other or cheat on the other one, and love gets smaller. What do you think? After that, it becomes Tintin. Tintin. Biscuit. Love becomes so thin. Don't fight. Keep love. I mean, keep Otin bigger. Keep Otin bigger, so it becomes love. Keeps love. Don't make it Otin. Guys, lalaki, make it bigger. I discovered this one. That's it. It's over. Okay, salamat pagdaon sa akong live. Don't forget, share. See you next time. Bye.